Hello dear traders, in this video, I show my new strategy, which has a very high winning rate. This strategy is based on the RSI indicator, works very accurately and completely filters out the false signals in the range chart. By using this strategy, you will achieve more profitable profits in your scalping trading. In this strategy, I use 3 unique indicators, and I used them in my trades and I got the desired result. This is a multi-million-dollar strategy and there is no such strategy on the internet. I promise you will be very happy after seeing this amazing strategy. So be sure to watch the video carefully until the end, because I have explained the important points during the video. Let's learn how to build and use this magical strategy. Okay, dear traders, welcome to learn the best YouTube strategy. First of all, I changed the candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi, to fit our strategy. This sell signal that you see here is based on 2 indicators and RSI approval. I will open some trades with these strategy signals. Here is the sell signal issued. I will open a short sell position. I accompany the position until the last moment. Here is the buy signal strategy. I start the buy position. Here again in the best area the sell signal is issued. I open a sales position. I set the stop loss to the end of the previous ceiling. I will accompany the position to the end of the downtrend. If I continue the short position until the end of the downtrend, I will risk a reward of 12 from this position. I will open a few trades to see for yourself how accurately this strategy sends a signal. Let's continue scalping trading. The source of these accurate signals and the profit from these scalping trading is a combination of 3 indicators. The reason why no signal is received here is the RSI indicator with the new changes. I add the indicators one by one and explain how they work. Let's go to the first indicator. I search for the indicator. Add this indicator to the chart. We have used this indicator before, but this time it is different. In the settings, I will make new changes to the indicator. From the inputs section in the first option, I change the number 22 to 1. I also change the number of the second option to 2.3. In the style section, except for the buy label and sell label options, disable all options. Well, the first indicator was prepared. Here, the previous signals are the same as the correct signals of this indicator. These signals are false and have been filtered through subsequent indicators, and have no validity. In the following, I will add complementary indicators to the chart. Let's add the next indicator to the chart. Search for this name here. Add this indicator to the chart. Now let's go to the settings of this indicator. Pay attention to the settings of this indicator. I turn off all options from the style section. Then go a little lower in the inputs section. Change the number of the first option to 6, then make the blue and red colors more colorful. As you can see, the color of the indicator became clearer. Whenever the indicator issued a sell signal and the color of this indicator changed to red and was down, the second condition of the signal was established. Here both indicators have issued a buy signal. Here both indicators have issued a sell signal and both conditions are met. Note here that the color of the indicator turns blue and moves upwards. Well, we have reached the important part of this strategy. Please pay attention to what is being said. Here both indicators confirm the buy signal. Or here both indicators have issued a sell signal and it seems to be a valid signal. But why are these signals not valid? Because the third indicator RSI with its new settings does not confirm these signals, and we get the final approval from RSI. I said at the beginning of the video that this strategy is made up of 3 indicators. Well, let's add the RSI indicator to the chart. Add the popular RSI indicator to the chart. Just pay attention to the important points mentioned in the RSI settings, because this type of setting is nowhere and it is my achievement. In the indicator settings in the inputs section, we change the number 14 to 25. Note that this option is on SMA. In the next option, change the number 14 to 150. In the style section, I change the color of RSI to blue and make it a little thicker so that it can be seen more clearly. Well, let's take a full test of this strategy. But before that, I want to teach you how to open a position and determine the risk to rewards and profit targets. Okay, dear traders. Suppose I open a buying position here. Suppose this area is the stop loss of this position. Now how to adjust the risk to reward profit targets. Note that risk to reward 1 becomes our first target. After the price rises, and the risk reaches a reward of 1.5, our second target is achieved. If the price goes up and the risk reaches reward 2, our third target will be touched. When the price reaches risk, reward ratio 3, our fourth target profit will be realized. Here's how to target profits and exit the trading position. If you do not understand, review again from the beginning. Okay, let's test some examples of scalping trading positions with this strategy, and see how the RSI indicator filters out false signals with the new settings. Then you will realize the power and accuracy of this strategy. Here the first indicator has issued a sell signal. The second indicator changes color to red and moves downwards. The first condition is confirmed here. Here, too, in the RSI indicator, the blue line crosses the yellow line downwards, and the final condition is met. All 3 conditions are met and this signal is completely valid. I am opening a selling position here. This trading position reached the fourth target. Here is a sample buy signal. In RSI indicator the blue line crosses the yellow line upwards, this signal is valid. I turn off the price chart to make the signals clearer. All 3 conditions are met here and this signal is valid. Based on this, I open a buying position. Here are 3 conditions for a short sell position and this signal is valid. Profit of the second target was achieved. Risk, reward ratio 2 profit. This signal is issued and confirmed by the above 2 indicators. But when we look at RSI, I see that it has not confirmed this signal and it is not valid. Here, too, the new RSI indicator filters false and invalid signals. That's why my strategies have less trading error. I turn off the price chart for you to see for yourself. It is quite clear here that there are 2 confirmations, but RSI does not allow entering the position. If we opened a sell position here, we would lose 100%. See some examples of false signal inhibition from the new RSI indicator. How does the RSI indicator work in the range market without price fluctuations? In this area, the price chart moves in range mode. All false signals are filtered through the advanced RSI indicator. This is the most important and sensitive market segment, and here the RSI indicator does not allow you to enter the position. This strategy is really perfect and very accurate. Encourage me to continue working by liking this video. Let's test this strategy briefly in the atrium chart. There is no signal in this area of the chart and the price chart is in range mode. I hope I have been useful so far, and that you have learned important points from these videos. In the continuation of this video, I suggest a video of my channel strategies. Be sure to watch it.